Jan De Ferreira. 5 salbahe ni Lolo. Ay, bakit? Bakit salbahe si Lolo? Sinong Lolo yan? Aling Vicky. Baby girl pala ito. Jan there, I'm watching your video. Wait. Ayan. Watching your video, my friend, Jan there. Ay. Harang. Sabi mo, minumukbang niya ang mga viewers mo. Yung views ko, minumukbang niya. Yung views. Jan there. Nice fishing. Ayan. 66, then it may be just cool enough to not wear so little. Not that mind sleeping in little clothing. Okay. Okay, my friend Aya. Ayan. Ayan, napagod na, nangalay na si Ma'am Shin. And watching your video, Jan there. Ayan, Jan there. Nice fishing, ha? Nice fishing. Ay, mag-iisang oras na rin ako. Di ba? Nakakaraos tayo. Ayan. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Diba, ano na, 6 minutes more. Ayan, bago tayo mag-on hour. Ayan, maraming salamat. Ayan, Aling Vicky, Aling Mars. Ayun, diba, ang dami, no? Aling Vicky, Aling Mars. Diba? Aling Vicky, Aling Mars. Definitely don't mind Aya wearing less clothing when she sleeps. Mistress. 30 million. No clothing is good. No, just, ayan, I'm just joking. Ayan. No clothing. I'm not surprised by that. Aya. That I definitely would not mind. That goes both ways. Sometimes, come up to my life. I want to see you. Then sing for us. Now, be ready. Aya. Okay for you. If okay for you, you want to come up to my life next time.